My name's Clíodhna Ní Aodáin. I'm a cellist, conductor, composer and teacher. It's my great privilege to be invited to be part of the Exhale, an innovative online festival that takes a holistic approach to the musician. My offering to the Exhale is mindfulness through improvisation. Mindfulness is the practice of paying extraordinary attention to ordinary things. Combine this moment-by-moment awareness with music making and the results are profound. The wonderful thing about music improvisation is that you have to be in the present moment. There's nowhere else to be. So I would like to give you the gift of awakening to your own presence through music improvisation. In a group, we will practice listening deeply in order to connect meaningfully while being fully present with each other. There are no wrong notes. It's easy. Reconnect to yourself, to your instrument, to your sound, and to your music.